Hello, my name is Andrew Carrillo, U number 35183851. I am currently majoring in marketing business management, and this is my submission for mini assignment 4. So, for this assignment, I was tasked with creating a interactive dashboard that consists of at least 3 of these visuals that I was available to choose from. These visuals and the dashboard were made using data from this data set. Oh, how do I move the frame? This data set that basically has a bunch of information about drinks, cold beverages, the favorite cold beverage of people in different states, of different relationship statuses, ages, stuff like that, where they prefer to drink, their favorite sparkling water flavor, and the most important reason for carbonated beverages. Personally, my most important reason for carbonated beverages is taste. I just love the taste of them. So, for the visuals I created, I chose to do, first of all, the average age of each preferred beverage, meaning like the average age of diet carbonated flavored sparkling water, iced coffee, iced tea, sports drinks, the average ages of each, the preferred beverage for both genders. This one's for males, this one's for females, and the favorite drinking location for each state. Now here is my dashboard. I'll move this a bit. I don't really know how to make this screen a bit bigger. Just kind of captures what it wants to capture. There we go. Boom. So the average age of each preferred beverage. So for diet carbonated, the average age is about 41 and a half years old. I mean, I can understand that. You're older, not too old. You don't want a whole Coke. You want a Diet Coke. The average age for flavored sparkling water is 42.3. We'll just call that about 42 years old. Let's find something different. Sports drinks. Sports drinks. The average age for preferred sport drinks is 42.6. So about 42 and a half. Just call it that. Unflavored sparkling water. You get the idea. That's what this was for. Now, if we look at the preferred drinking location of each state, we see that orange is home. That means these states prefer drinking at home. The kind of aqua color is supposed to be work. So that means that Alabama and Georgia both like to drink at work above all the other drinking locations. This bluish navy blue color is for events, meaning that Mississippi and South Carolina mostly like to drink at events. This red color means on the go, meaning that Tennessee and North Carolina like to drink on the go. Now, if we look down here at these pie charts I did for the preferred beverages for each gender, you see how many of each gender answered for each beverage as their preferred beverage. And you can see obviously that there is a favorite in each of these. For females, the favorite is unflavored sparkling water. 18 out of all of them answered that, which was the biggest percentage. That's why it's the biggest little category, biggest pie slice here. And for men, the most preferred cold beverage is iced tea. I do enjoy some iced tea. I agree with that. Obviously, there's a lot of beneficial information here. Didn't mean to click on that. There's a lot of beneficial information here. If I was a marketer for let's just say a beverage provider, let's say Coca-Cola, Obviously, it's an easy answer. I went with red for a reason. Red Coke's my favorite carbonated drink, so let's just stick with that. Let's say I'm looking at where I want to place my products in each of these southern states. Well, if these people in Florida and Louisiana enjoy drinking at home, then I would probably put my beverages in like grocery stores like Walmart or Publix. That way they pick it up and they're getting their groceries for the house and then they drink my drink at home. But these where it's like at work, then maybe I would try to put my drinks mostly in gas stations or vending machines, because that's like you got to stop at a gas station when you go to work, or you're gonna go to the vending machine at work, that kind of thing. Same here, on the go vending machine. I mean, not vending machines, gas stations, pit stops, stuff like that. You're gonna want to put your drinks there because most people like to drink on the go. Events, you would want to put your drinks in stadiums or convention centers, stuff like that, places where people hold events, because you know they're gonna want to drink there. That's a obvious application for this one. For this, you could obviously use this to find out what age you want to market to when it comes to your different categories of drinks you offer. So, like, if you're looking at iced coffee, you're not going to be marketing iced coffee to children. You know, you're going to be marketing it to an older, like a middle-aged adult. Okay, you got more like mature ads and stuff like that. And then looking at this one, the benefit of this is knowing what gender you really want to target when it comes to your campaigns for each drink. So I'm not going to be heavily campaigning tap water to females because that's not a very popular one with them, but I would definitely heavily campaign unflavored sparkling water to females because that is something that they seem to enjoy. Same here. I'm going to be focusing mainly on marketing iced tea to males, but I'm not going to really try to market this diet carbonated to them because that would be a waste of efforts. I mean, unless you're trying to see like where this is lacking, then maybe you would want to put a little bit more money into marketing diet carbonated drinks to males to see if you could boost that. But from my perspective, I would just work with what I already am doing well and just keep doing that well. That's really the gist of the information I gathered from these visuals and my dashboard that I created. I hope that you enjoyed my video. Thank you and have a nice day.